to make sure na ang bibigay mo is the Google account. Ito yung magiging perspective, guys. Ano sila? Ay, nag-try sila. So you will notice, guys, na ito yung magiging itsura ng Google Form natin. Kindly be familiar with it. You already have some pre-forms or gallery. You have blank form, contact form, RSVP, party invite, or t-shirt sign up. But yung gagawin natin is that let's have it na blank. Okay? Sa blank, ito yung magiging itsura, guys. Okay? Muna yung itsura niya. And then usually, wala talaga kayong makikita dito. So that's why, ang Google Form, you are required to configure and set it up. Nagets nyo? Ang first nyo na gagawin is to set up muna the name of the form. The name of the form has two purpose. Yung first is para sa imo ra ni siya. Yung pinakauna is para sa imo wa. Kani ikadua is muli makita sa imo students. Nakuha. So usually ang standard or yung practice na ginagawa ko is that if I will make an online form, I make sure to include the date para alam ko kung anong araw ko siya ginawa. For example, I would say, anong date ko dito? July 9, so 07-09-2026. Ganyan. And then, saka ko ilalagay yung name ng form. For example, I would say, quiz on Google Forms. Ayan. 2C. Diba? And automatic dahil yun, kaya siya magawas. Nakuha ninyo?
Yes.
So you don't need to write it. Ay, yung next na buhaton lang ni Dayon is that to remove this one. Para hindi makita ng mga students mo yung numbers indicated. Yung numbers para sa iyo. Ito yung makikita ng student mo. Nagets nyo?
Yes, sir.
After that one, you are required, you talaga as educators, you are required to indicate some descriptions. For example, this is an online quiz. Online quiz about Google Forms. And after that one, dahil another one na dapat hindi mo ibutang is the deadline of the deadline kung kailan siya magpo-close yung Google Form ninyo. For example, you would say, this form will close on July 11, 2026, 6 p.m. Parang ganyan, di ba? Part also sa form description is that you can indicate or you can highlight those words na dapat nilang ma-remember ng sumasagot. For example, this one. You can make this one into bold. Nagets nyo?
Yes.
So, ang makikita ng students, for example, tapos ka nang gumawa ng name at saka description, and you would want to check if ano itsura. You go here sa taas, bitaw. This part here, itong may mata. You click this one, and then, para you can preview kung ano yung itsura niya. Diba? If you notice, wala pang question kasi wala pa tayong nilalagay na question. Tama?
Yes.
Okay. After that one dayon, before going to the questions, dito muna tayo sa settings. Okay? After clicking the settings, you make sure na you click this one. Ito, make this quiz. Okay? Ang purpose dito is for it to either automatically calculate the scores of the students or after that one, you can also do it on your own. So, release the grades either immediately or yung second one natin is later. When can you only choose immediately and then when can you choose later? You only use immediately if your quiz is in multiple choice kasi alam ni Google Forms paano siya i-check kasi you will be giving them the answer key man. Okay? Pero pag yung exam, it includes essays, para dito, for example, identification tapos maraming answers, you click later. Nagets nyo?
Yeah.
Pero right now, yung example natin, or yung demonstration natin will be multiple choice man. So let's have immediately. Nakuha ba?
Yes, sir.
Now, ito yung magiging itsura guys. So pag hindi bitaw, for example, this one. If you notice, ito na yung interface natin for for creating the questions. Ito yung pala ko para sila magiging. So ito yung magiging interface. For example, when did Salay, example lang ito guys Salay Community College started? Diba? And then, you can choose here dahil for example, ano mang correct answer dito?
June
2018, di ba? So, kung pwede, you can have short answer. You can have paragraph. You can have also multiple choice. Diba? Kita ninyo, check boxes. Kita ninyo? And then drop down. Nakuha? So for this one, let's have muna multiple choice. For example, 1901, 2006. Ang correct answer is 2018, and then the other one dayon is tana to 2026 pa na. Parang kaya sugod pa abot na ako din. Ako may main character din. Joke lang. You will notice guys, pag na-quiz na siya, it's because merong answer key na nakalagay dito. Pero pag I will turn off dito, if I will turn off this one, look what will happen. Mawala to siya. Di ba?
Yes, sir.
It means na wala pong questions with answer keys na magiging basis ni Google Form to check on it. Nakuha nyo? So always remember to turn this one on muna, especially if it's a quiz.
Yes.
Pero pag survey, do I turn this one on? No. Bakit?
Kay survey.
Ha? Kaya you will not score man their answers, di ba?
Yes.
Wala. Ayan. So, for example, how do we declare the correct answer na dali? So you click on answer key, and then you choose dayon kung saan dito yung correct answer. For example, the correct answer is 2018. And then you indicate dayon ilang points lang ito. Since for example, it's simple, you can put here 1. And then, done. Gets nyo?
Yes, sir.
Now, always and every after dito, for example, tapos ka nang gumawa ng 10 na questions, or for example, 5 questions, you always practice doing review. Para alam nyo kung tama ba yung ginagawa nyo hindi. So, click review, and then look what happens. Diba? Gets nyo?
Yes, sir.
I can now do it in multiple choice. Gets nyo?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let's have another one. Sir, what if lugar kung checkbox, lugar yung among gusto? Sige, gusto nyo checkbox? Kita checkbox. Choose your favorite fruit. Okay. For example, checkbox dito. Ito galit, mangga. Apple.
Strawberry.
Durian. Abantay mo, ano ganyan, di ba? Yung siyang box na yun.
Yes, sir.
If you will preview that one, look what will happen. Iba na siya. Di ba?
Yes, sir.
Gets nyo? Actually, ito yung practice ko. But then if you're good enough, pwede na guys na mag-preview ka on the last part na. Pwede rin na. Okay, another thing as well. Ito, this one is really commonly used. What if, for example, sir, gagawa ako ng question tapos may picture involved? Anong gagawin ko, sir? For example, identify what kind of cat is this? Laaw man yan. For example, hanap ka sa Google. Pwede mag-upload ka on your own. For example, ito. Anong cat ito?
Garfield.
You will notice na an image will be inserted dayon on the question.
Yes.
Diba? Kita ninyo? And then you can have it dayon nga. Pwede po ka for example, for this one, atong i-drop box or drop down. Ito, muna siya ang combo box, guys. Ako sabot na ako. Yeah. For example, saan siya? Changer? Or kadawa si Mimi? What the other brand man sa mga brand?
British white, British short hair.
Ask kita ng salayanan na ka. Salayanan.
Kawakan niya rin.
Babash na namin guys. Tayo yung mga audio sa video nyo ba? Mga buwang mga
Sir, pwede ba daw ma-resize ang image?
No.
No.
Di ba standard yun? Now, ito yung itsura ng combo box or drop down guys. Now, kita ninyo?
Yes, sir.
Ito siya.
Salayan.
Salayan.
Nag-gets ninyo?
So,
Yes,
ang
sir.
checkbox o kanang combo box, wala sa may specific na correct answer.
Pwede ka mag-declare.
Pwede ko.
Pwede mag-declare. Good question. For checkbox, bitaw guys, look what will happen na. If I will declare bitaw a particular answer, for example, ang may tabo dani is that I need to choose more than one. For example, lugar. Correct, ang mangga o ang
Okay,
durian,
dapat-
pwede ra siya. Nag-gets ninyo?
Yes, sir.
So what if lugar, sir, kung mangga ra yung gipili? Kaya number one na, sir, what if lugar kung mangga ra yung gipili sa akong estudyante? 5 points gyapon siya gyapon. Yes, 5 points gyapon siya.
Regardless sa pila yung ipili.
Yes, for as long as either of the three, either of the three yung ipili niya.
Wala
Nag-gets
siya
ninyo?
condition.
Kung kasi one wrong na tanan.
This one, dili siya.
Dili siya.
For as long as na isa lang yung napili niya.
5 job.
5 gyapon siya. Nag-gets ninyo?
Yes po.
So, muna siya ang atong pagbuhat sa question. Now, aside from doing this bitaw, napagbuhay lain set up gyapon ninyo before ninyo ihatag sa estudyante ang inyong ang inyong quiz ninyo. For example, kaning quiz questions, I will ask you, would you want your students to see which questions were answered incorrectly?
Yes.
Yes? Anong yes man? Anong no man?
Or review nila kung
Okay, tagada mo context sa, for example, karon magpa-quiz ko sa inyo sa Google Form. And then normal siya. What will be the possible tendency?
Magpasahan og answer.
Good. I can, kumbaga, Google Form should not be, should not have a room bitaw for cheating arrangements, kumbaga. So, you make sure na this one is turned off. Okay? How about the correct answers? Would I want my students to review or identify what were the correct answers?
No, gyapon.
Yes or no? Basta
No.
yun ang concept gyapon. Ayaw pagyatag ninyo guys. Kaya anyway, you still have your face-to-face masad. You can discuss the correct answer sa classroom. So, you turn this one off. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, for the point values, you leave it behind because hindi ba kita may bawal kung pila ang points kada question para alam nila kung saan sila talaga mag-focus. Anong purpose ng default question value? Okay. There are times bitaw na the instructor or the educator is malimtan niya o butang ang points, for example, per question. So, this will be the catch dayon. So, turning this one on and then putting values here, kahit na hindi ako nag-add bitaw, for example lang, para makita ninyo guys, di ba, hey, look at this one, total points is 11, tama? If I will add another question, ano ang isinita mo dahil?
16.
Diba? Nag-gets ninyo? So, kahit na hindi ka pa nag-indicate kung ilang points yan, because of this one, naka-indicate na siya na 5 points yun siya. Diba? So, every time yung magdugang ng question, plus 5, plus 5, plus 5 ang default. Sir, can I change the points on that one? Pwede.
Dito
For
sa
example, this one. Kung muna i-change, sige dito sa ano. Ano siya, yung muna gusto i-change. You can have it in 1 na lang dahil. I-guess ninyo?
So, dili na ma-change ang points dito sa settings, sir. 5 gid to siya normal.
You can change that one.
I mean, sir, bisan pag mag-set kag score ana nga question, 5 gid gyapon ang yang value atong dito.
No,
sa
ayan na
settings.
siya mong gana if wala ka kung wala ka nabutang na point value.
Okay.
Okay? Next, so after all of this configuration bitaw dayon, ang may tabo is that you will publish the dayon your Google Form link. Okay? So by clicking publish, right here, wait, so ano ginagawa nila? Are they doing the same thing we are doing? Guys, are you doing the same thing we are doing? Okay. For publish form, make sure that this one indicates anyone with the link. Ang ibig sabihin ng anyone with the link is that lahat ng mga users who will receive the link, even if I'm not part of the organization, kahit hindi tayo friends, you can still answer on it. Nagets nyo?
Yes, sir.
So you click on publish and then it will give you a link dahil. Ayan. Ito masyadong, kumbaga, if you notice, task kasi lang siya. Pag mo nang kopyahan, I will copy this one.
Pag-iping,
If you will paste it, task isa lang siya. So, saan ba siya para mahimong mubo? Ang iyong button is,
Shorten link.
you click this one, copy responder link, and then you click on shorten URL. And then if you will copy this, look what will happen galing sa link. Bubura siya lang siya.
Yes.
Nag-guess ninyo?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, aside from that one, how do you put deadlines man on your Google Form? Paano ba tayo naglalagay ng deadlines sa Google Form? You have a year, set date, or response limit. I will explain the two para alam ninyo. You have on a date or after a number of responses. Let's start muna dito sa after a number of responses. Sa after a number of responses, you will indicate kung for example, lugar, ang gusto lang namin mag-answer are 20 students. So you will put your 20 students. Anong mangyayari pag 20 students lang?
Dili na siya mo ko.
Responses accepted until 20 responses have been received. Ibig sabihin, yung ika-21, di na niya dawaton. Nakuha. Do you do that one in education? Hindi.
No.
Ha? Yes or no? Uy, no. No. So, ang ato period is kani on a date. Kani siya ang fit sa atuwa kay na muna gitawag na deadline. So, for example, anong naka-indicate doon sa form natin na deadline? July 11. Anong time?
6
Diba? 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Kita nyo?
Yes, sir.
Anong mangyayari? No? Responses accepted July 11, 2026, 6 p.m. So for example, if the student will answer on 601, tatanggapin o hindi? Hindi nawasin guys. Kaya nga naman, mag-close siya dahil. Okay?
Mo indicate lugar dayon sir nga
Yes. Talaga yung gali guys ha. You will know if ang inyong bitang Google Form kay open pa siya, kay kanin siya is naka-on, can accepting responses.
Ah,
Pero pag mo nang i-off guys, automatic talaga yun. Siya yata. Turning off setting will also turn off automated closing rules that were previously set. Okay? So for example, July 11, 2026 na. Tapos 6:05 na. And then may magalit sa iyo mga estudyante. Yung ipa-answer din. Okay, we always give chances man kay mga edok di ba?
yes.
May ganit, di ba guys, kung edok ba yun, my God, okay, kistanan. So, for example, you would want to reopen again the form. Imo nang i-turn on lang dayon. Yeah. Nag-gets ninyo?
Yes sir.
Okay, kaya mo bitaw mo siya naka-copy na bitaw, for example, because this is my experience. If you're using iPhone or Android bitaw, kanang, for example, may mga estudyante nga, sir, pwede pa-open ang form again. So, kisa kaya walay online application ang Google Form. Like, it's really, like, kung may mo, kung may mga nyo, matupok sa balay, or yung pinakong
Sa mobile sir wala.
wala siya sa mobile. Wala akong nakatry sa mobile. Like, isod kisa lang siya. Okay? Muna ang usahay, tapos di na i-on. Joke, pero ako yung kawata. So, but you need to do it, especially if you become a teacher, kay mag-arap yung gusto mo dahil.
Yes.
Diba? Diba? Lagi mo galit, karoon, no? Dagat naman nag-binaw sa form. Okay. Question.
So, how can we laptops?
What do you know?
So, mag-laptop din yan. So, mag-laptop din.
If I am to guys, I would want to experience it the way I'm doing it right now. Pag computer mo, pag laptop. Okay, para hindi kita ma-experience mo din. Okay. Sir, papagin mo laptop, kabalo ko, kitang taan, walay kwarta, mangulam. Siguro sa bilo. Mangulam, may pisonet man sa, di ba? Okay, guys, aside from this one, you can also do customization in Google Form. For example, so yung gusto daw ulit yung color kasi mo yung blue, you can go here, customize theme. And then, for example, you would want another color. For example, you have green. Diba? Pwede siya. Or something like this one. Okay?
Change the text niya, sir.
Hindi rin po depende. Mabutahan na rin mong header. For example, lugar, I will choose a header here. Example, gusto ni mo o ganagaling about sa nature. Diba? Insert natin niya siya. Ang may tabo dahil is that, yan siya header dahil. Guess niyo?
Yes sir.
So if you will preview this one, kumakaas mo ito. Nag-guess ninyo guys?
Yes po.
Okay. So, aside from that one, you can also make changes on the font style of the form. For example, di ka gusto rin kaning form ito, di ka gusto rin style. So you can change this one into Times New Roman. Okay? Pero limited lang siya yun. So yung limited naman siya. Guys, free na ba sa Google Form? So nakalupit mo, free na siya po. So for example, you would want po gyapon nga ang question is mabago po gyapon. You can have area. Gets niyo?
Yes sir.
And then, kung gusto niyo mo glide po ang Dani, pwede po, Nana. Nakuha ninyo?
Yes sir.
So kana siya. Questions. Sir, how will I know kung pino ang score sa mga estudyante lugar? Okay. Di mo makakuha sa score kung wala mag-answer. Okay? So inyong button is you go to responses. And then, ang iyang partner, di ba, remember in our handout, ayun siya dito nga, the counterpart of Google Form is unsa man? Google Sheets. Meaning, automatic, pag nasa madawat nga response, iya i-calculate, iya i-record dahil sa Google Sheets. So, yung button, you click on this one, kaning link to Sheets, and then you click on create. After that one dahil na i-tab yung gawas. Now, ano yung galit, di ba? Iya i-record kung kausan answer si student, kung sa email address, pila yung score, ito yung mga answer niya dahil. Nakuha ninyo?
Yes sir.
So, direct na siya.
Yes, automatic na dahil. Automatic na siya. I'll give you one example, Galia. This is an example from my class in Taguluan Community College. Muna siya ang scores nila. Ano ganyan yung Galia? Di ba? Yeah. Naisa ka perfect kayo. Wow. Naka-perfect. Nakuha ninyo? So, kani siya nga score, muna siya ang muna gibuhat ni Google Form. Iyang gi-calculate ang score niya. Sir, how do you do for sorting and filter? So for example, gusto lang na ako makita lugar ang block or section dani. What I will do is that I will highlight everything. Progdo, gusto lang siya bakit kami? I will highlight the whole column, gani siya. And then, I will go to filter. Dapat na ko filter, dapat dani. Ano ganyan? I-remove na ko ang filter. Ang may tabo, highlight, click the filter. Sorry. Wala na ako i-give. Dali nga ko. Ayaw na yun. Ada, filter. Filter column. Ada. So for example, gusto na ako ito, makita na ako kahit ang 4A lang ang section. If you notice, lahat ng records dahil is 4A lagi natin.
Mawala to mga 4.
Hindi siya mawala.
Tinago.
Yan ang i-hide. Gets niyo?
Mabalik.
Pag sorting po ng may tabo guys, pag sorting. So itong sorting gali, ito ako akong ingon na to sa discussion. Ascending and descending. If you would want to sort them, you just click here and then na sort A to Z. Diba? Parang gali, aligalo na una. Pag Z to A na sad, diba? Itang ang nag-sort na. Gets niyo?
Sir, ang kanang sorting of filtering kay sa sheet na daan siya or ikaw ang mag-add?
No. Parang automatic siya dani. Like, naka-default na siya daan. You don't need to do anything na. Ang yun lang yung button is i-manipulate lang siya din. Nakuha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, questions. Sige daw din. Ask questions because later, I will not answer the line questions. Sige. Questions. Walang questions. Sige. Balik muna kayo dun guys para I will discuss tayo your activity.